Say what's up to you two though, Mom. I have one question for you. Do you help me pay for my car?
Yes, I do.
Hear me turn that beat up, yeah.
Run up that check and then we knock off. Every nigga day the mouth off. Thinking it's good for God, we want some outlaws. Coordinations, nigga.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy King Reckless, back with another video. First off, I want to start by saying thank you to everyone who subscribed to me recently. I'm seeing all the love. It is crazy how much you can blow like in that time frame, because I was just at like 700 followers. I remember even in my most recent description I said road to 1K, posted that video. It was scheduled. I'm already past 1K, about to hit 2K. It's just crazy the love and support y'all showing me, so I just want to say thank y'all to that. I'm going to keep grinding up. And then I also want to say thank you to all the haters. I see all them comments saying, oh, mommy, daddy bought, mommy sponsored, all that. To those haters, I just want to say stay blessed. Keep living. We all trying to get up there. We all trying to grind. But today's video, as y'all can tell in the title, I finally got the right Wickerbill in the mail. We're going to change that out. And also in that same video, we're going to install the diffuser, because that diffuser is so easy to install. Like I'm talking about a quick install. Oh, as y'all can see, I didn't even show y'all. I already did the tail light tint. I do got to get that heat gun because there's some bubbles right here. I don't know if y'all could tell. Yeah, there it is. That'll come off real quick. But let me show y'all that new spoiler. Y'all take a look at it right there before. Different type of angles right there. Had to get the keys real quick. Want to show y'all how they look when I press the unlock button, or at night basically. Look how sick that looks. That shit crazy. My cousin Ivan coming with that charger with that demon hood, so y'all stay tuned for him to pull up. But let's get right into this video. If you're new to this channel right now, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. I'd really appreciate all that. Let's get right into it. As you can see, we got the diffuser right here. The right Wickerbill finally. But I'm gonna go ahead and rip this off. I could tell already, cause look, there's tape behind it, but you can see. Look at that, that's see-through. I just had to make sure. They sent me the wrong one last time. You never know, they'll do it again. Dominique, when you gonna come get my Wickerbill? I do need to take that off and put that on that new one. I totally forgot about that, because that hoe looks live. Look what they had to do, like, they didn't even tell me. And boom, the Wickerbill is off. Now time to untape the other one. Real quick. I'm telling y'all, whole different ass screw. What the hell is this? And look what just fell off my damn thing. That shop was horrible. That's not safe at all. It's like it's not even there. That's crazy. That really just came off. And I paid them. Like, what the hell? Well, let's get to unwrapping this. But yeah, that shit looks so weird. Now with that one. Got the see-through spoiler right here. As you can see, it's dark tint. Like it's not the same color as the middle piece, but you can literally see right through it. But let's go ahead and put this right on, and then I'll get right back to y'all. That looks way better without even the clear piece on yet. Damn, that looks tough. Bro, that's tough. You cannot tell me. Y'all let me know in the comments if I should have left it black, or did I make the right decision right here. Damn. Alright, looks like we have a problem. We might have to go to Home Depot to get more screws. Like I keep telling y'all, this shop is ass. My cousin pulling up in that scat thing. How the hell a professional shop is gonna let that come off?
No, bro.
What up?
Come on, Ruben, you gotta get 10K subscribers this year.
No cap, for real. Alright guys, we gotta go to Home Depot, get some new screws, get a tool for the rivet, because obviously the shop is messing up. The shop I paid for it. We'll be back. Alright YouTube, just came back from Home Depot. Found out that it's not even a rivet gun I need. I need the rivet tool. Let me show you the picture. Matter of fact, I just ordered it on Amazon. See, it's coming tomorrow by 9 p.m. That piece right there, not the gun, that piece. I had that piece. That was wrong. So now I gotta wait. By tomorrow 9 p.m. it said it'll be here. But for right now, I'm just gonna put the piece on. It's only gonna be missing one, so that's gonna be straight. And then we're gonna go ahead and put this diffuser on and we rolling. Like I said, tomorrow, y'all stay tuned. I should be getting my quad tips. Or I'm gonna be putting those on, there goes my mom. I don't know if I'm gonna be putting my quad tips tomorrow or Saturday, because if they get here late tomorrow. Hey, but for y'all haters, let's go ask my mom a question. Hey, mom, I have to ask you a question though, for real.
No.
You're supposed to say yes. Do you help me pay for my car? No. No. Alright, YouTube, so what y'all think? Was I right or wrong? There's a side picture, side view. I did not think it was gonna be that much see-through. Like, that's hella see-through. Like,
Yeah, you can see it right there.
clear or black? Y'all let me know in the comments. I have a question for you, for YouTube though. Do you help me pay for my car?
No.
No, you're supposed to say yes. The haters think y'all do.
No.
Alright, we finna put this diffuser on real quick.
No.
Say what's up to YouTube, buddy.
Shit, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all what happened today. You know, I had to walk home from work today because my fucking car broke. It was about. Oh, so I was going for them and I was gonna do a pull for Tevin. Yeah. And when I did a pull, I broke my shifter. It was already going out anyway. I knew it was because I.
Red?
Yeah. It was going. No, like the whole shifter, like the whole.
So
Yeah.
you're basically saying it's Tevin's fault.
It is Tevin's
So
fault.
tell Tevin on YouTube because he watching my video.
Tevin, that is your fault, bro. I'm sorry. Like, if it wasn't for you, my shit wouldn't have broke. Damn. No, actually, I take that back. I jinxed myself because I said, what I say? I said, oh yeah, nothing in my car will never break again. A couple minutes later, boom, broke. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I fucks with the clear, the see-through.
Yeah.
I fucks with the see-through. You're right. That black one did make itself look right out.
For some reason, the black one made my car look like that spoiler was like fucking right there.
I ain't gonna lie, the black one did make it look like, you know how this part is and then fuck, what happened, fucking call it? But like, it had to like look like it was like up here.
That's what I'm saying. Now it looks all
Is
flush.
it different? Is it like a taller?
That's what I'm saying. I think it's a little bit taller.
Is it?
Nah, I got it right there. Look, it's the
No,
same.
no cap.
Same shits.
We've been home yet.
Right here.
Attention all YouTubers. That's what Fim would say. That man right there, Dario, needs to start a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Let me know in the comments right now. Be like, D-Roll, start a
I want
YouTube
to see some
channel.
racing, drag racing, whatever. I got y'all.
Hey, Ruben.
He think I need to start a YouTube channel. Y'all let me know. Let me tell y'all about
Y'all
him,
let
though.
me know in the comments though if y'all fuck with the clear one or the dark one. Or the black one, I mean. Damn,
Like,
that's
three people
tough.
say clear. I was watching. I was looking at the video and I
Oh,
fell asleep.
bro.
Yeah. What the fuck, tocando?
Damn, my cousin charger clean. What are y'all taking? Scat Pack Challenger or Charger? As you can tell, we got the STI right there. And the Durango. Car neighborhood. He's cool. We're cool.
Hey, did you see
They aight.
My car's already fat.
I want to know, just like Ivan said, why did I not get these? Those look live.
Should I?
Y'all make sure to go to follow him. Ivan_B5. He just got his hood wrapped. That's all really what I had today. Like I said, the quad tips are coming in tomorrow. Gotta go buy some oil for my car at the dealership because you know I do everything myself, mainly unless it's stuff I can't. But y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all like the clear or the black. That's all for today. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, do all that good stuff. And I'm King Rex and I'm out. Peace.
Growing up, it was dry, I don't give it up. Running from them dicks, they do it on and they bust. Trying to take a youngster cause he thugging. tryna talk